Hi mga mamshi, great afternoon or good evening na dito sa Philippines. Thank you for watching. So today would like to share with you our book sale haul at SM Calamba. So yesterday, Sunday, we were in SM Calamba and this is our haul from SM Calamba. Medyo napadami na naman ang ating book sale haul. Let's see. Yan, additional collection from our books. First is Refresh. Devotions for your time away. Ayan. So, stories, prompts on how to handle rest. Rest tama ba? Yan, Refresh. Then another one is Dare to Bloom. It's trusting God through painful endings and new beginnings. Ayan. Napakaganda niya. Oh. So, stories, reflections. Ayan. You can use it on our journaling. Then, anxious. Fighting anxiety with the Word of God. There are many reasons to worry and one reason not to. Ayan. So, yan. Mahilig tayo ngayon sa mga journaling, stories or articles, activities or questions. Then, pencil drawing. So, rediscover your creative self. So, ano siya? Ways to free your creative spirit. Ayan, mga activities, art, so many things. Develop the confidence you need to take creative leaps of faith. Ayan, so yan. So this is our haul from Calamba. Ayan. Very worthy it for our library and share with Tina and Cathy when they come over. Thank you guys for watching. See you in our next video.